Hey there, fellow Google Calendar enthusiasts. Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to make someone else the organizer in Google Calendar for 2025. Whether you're juggling team meetings, family events, or project deadlines, knowing how to transfer ownership can save you time and headaches. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at sharing the reins. Let's dive right in. First things first. Open up your Google Calendar by heading to calendar.google.com and logging in with your Google account. Make sure you're on the right calendar if you have multiple ones set up. Step 1. Locate the event you want to transfer. Simply click on the event in your calendar view to open its details. This will bring up all the event information. Step 2. Hit the Edit button. It's that little pencil icon in the top right corner. This allows you to modify the event settings. Step 3. In the event editing window, scroll down to the Guests or Add Guests section. Here, you'll enter the email address of the person you want to make the new organizer. Type in their email and hit Enter. Step 4. Now, check the permissions for that guest. By default, they might be set as a viewer, but you need to change this. Click on the options next to their name and select Make changes to events or Editor, if available. In Google Calendar, this effectively gives them organizer-like control, allowing them to edit, delete, or manage the event. Step 5. Save your changes by clicking Save at the bottom. The invited person will receive an email notification, and once they accept, they'll have the necessary access. Keep in mind, if you're using a Google Workspace account, you might have additional options for full ownership transfer. Check your account settings for that. One quick tip. If the event is part of a shared calendar, you might need to adjust the calendar's sharing settings instead. This ensures everything syncs properly. And there you have it. You've successfully made someone else the organizer. This feature is super handy for collaboration, especially in 2025 with all the new updates. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.